Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Tausi Abul Kalam. So today I'm presenting presentation from course English 438. So our topic is syllabus design portfolio presentation. So first of all, we can say that what is a syllabus or a syllabus design. So as we can see that according to way, syllabus design is understood as the organization of the selected contents into an order and practical sequence for teaching purposes. So all we know that English is taught with sure significance in almost all the academic levels in both Bangla and English medium educational institutions. The NCTB curriculum of Bangladesh has also identified the incredible importance of English. So, according to Salam, 1956, secondary education, like from class 6 to 10, is the most critical level in any national system of education. Therefore, the English learned during this period of time essentially holds a great value. Hawke 1997 also opined that though all the four skills are given importance, but the skills of reading and writing have been given more attention as the performance in examination primarily depends upon these two skills. So, however, to conduct successful teaching and learning, teachers must consider the aspects of needs analysis. It is very likely that each of the groups, including teachers, students, parents, also administrators, have their own needs and agendas, and to fulfill all of their needs, different methods must be applied. So overall, it is agreed by all the language scholars that analysis is one of the one of utmost importance for learning a language, basically language learning. We assessed a particular course associated with English language teaching and its teacher and learners. So, firstly, our structure of our report is firstly, we talked about learners and teachers' profile, and then we talked about needs analysis and designing a syllabus, then unit plan, then comes lesson plan and all lesson plan and materials and etc.
Hello everyone, this is Sharna Sutradhar from ENG department. Now I am talking about assignment 1, learner and teacher profile. In part of learner profile, students are from Bangla medium background and they are in class 9. In terms of teacher's profile, the teacher, Mr. Babul Hussain, is assistant teacher at Civil Aviation High School. He has completed BA and MA in English from Government Titumir College. Additionally, he has completed his SSC and HSC from local school and college. To describe the course, he teaches English first paper to the class 9 students, and it helps to develop students' reading and writing skills.
So, in this part of needs analysis, we talked about the targeted group. The course we targeted for needs analysis is the English for Today book for class 9 to 10 students according to NCTB curriculum. As the book represents the learning of the English language of SSC candidates, it upholds significant importance to justify students' knowledge in a secondary school context. And for in gathering information, we use PDF version of the book available online and gathered information from the teachers who is currently teaching for classes 9 to 10. So then we talked about why we choose the course, and then we analyzed the environmental analysis. The environmental analysis is an important part of the syllabus planning, since it ensures that the course will be usable at its most base level or not. So the possible constraints we found is the due to lack of confidence, fear of being criticized, or a lack of English competency, students are perceived as being careless in speaking English outside of the classroom, and also their paranoid of speaking in English, their grammatical errors and lack of faculties, basically the lack of teacher, the lack of proper teaching methods is also possible constraints. And the solution for this is obviously we need a teacher who are truly proficient in English and can teach English for both academic and communicative goals must be employed in order to attain the ultimate goal of learning. So for academic purpose, basically the speaking and listening, basically the speaking and listening is not that much implemented in classrooms. Only the writing and reading skills are being implemented, as student have to sit for exams. So then we there comes the needs analysis. Then we develop some questionnaire for teachers and for the students also. We did an online survey. Then we found some data. So here is our questionnaires. We found our answers. We found our online survey answers. So this is our online survey result, and that's all.
I'm Raka Rahman and I will be discussing the third and fourth assignment. Now, the third assignment was syllabus design, which is the main focus of this course. And we know it is the binding factor in the learning process, important equally for the teachers as well as the learners. Therefore, based on the needs analysis report, we redesigned the syllabus of English first paper for class 9 and 10. Let's first discuss the findings from the existing syllabus. Having a look at the syllabus, we immediately said that it was too straightforward and it lacked details. It was more like the topics were listed down like a table of contents that we see at the beginning of any book. It was poorly structured. There were no details on how the topics are going to be assessed, what the students are going to learn from them. And also, there was an absence of tasks and activities dedicated to teach the learners to communicate in the real world. It was more of a product oriented syllabus, which focused more on how to cover the topics in the allocated time instead of focusing on what the students are going to learn from these topics. The proposed syllabus did not exclude the older topics, but we reformed some of the tasks as per the learner's need. We included both pair works and individual works, followed by a homework in order to identify the learner's needs and capabilities through assessing their performance. We included vocabulary based tasks as we found in the needs analysis report that they were significantly weak in their vocabularies. Multiple marked assignments were added in the aim of noting down their progress and also assess their grammatical skills. Now, various home tasks were given so that the learners can practice more and enhance their speaking and listening abilities outside the classes. We also added a group project so that the learners can communicate between them. Also, the feedback from the teacher will tell them in which sector they did well and in which sector they should focus more. The syllabus is structured in a way that all the topics will be covered before each class test, maintaining a balance between the topics. Now, our fourth assignment is unit plan. Planning is an essential element of teaching. It helps the teacher organize the course by dividing the topics over a semester. After preparing a process-oriented syllabus in the last assignment, we developed a unit plan for the class titled From Analyzing Text to Question Answering. The students will be taught how to analyze text, enhance comprehensive reading, and organize sentences. These steps will eventually help them to answer subjective questions. First, they will read some text from their assigned topic for the day and try to point out the concept of the text. Next, they will be told to rearrange some jumbled up dialogues. This will help them to understand and organize the text. Third, the students will be given group works to discuss a text between them, which will enhance their interaction ability while working on thinking critically. Finally, after having learned how to critically analyze text, students will be taught how to understand the structure of questions and eventually be able to answer them with ease.
Now I am talking about assignment 5 lesson plan. Our lesson plan is designed on only one topic. The total class duration is 55 minutes. The topic is about text analyzing and dialogues. Firstly, both teacher and students will greet each other. Then the teacher takes as attendance and introduces the topic. He will ask the students to read out the whole text and to point out the main idea from the text. Also, the students will respond about their understanding when the teacher asks. After the teacher assigns peer work to write a dialogue script on a discussed topic, also he provides handout to write on them. Next, teacher will call 2 or 3 students to act according to the scripts what they have written. Finally, teacher will give the feedback and correction according to their write-up and their speaking. To conclude that the syllabus design and the whole assignment is planned for 4 skills development of the students. The syllabus has been structured in such a way that enables best outcome for the students. As there were many obstacles in our education system, we tried to make the syllabus in comprehensive manner, maintaining the level to overcome those obstacles. The syllabus will be able to distribute same sort of learning opportunities in a classroom that consists of a large number of students. We placed our utmost effort to come out from the traditional way of teaching English to and also we tried to introduce with CLT to the students as much as possible. We have taken learner's profile and teacher's profile. Then we tried to form the needs analysis and existing syllabus. We proposed a new syllabus according to NCTV's curriculum. Lastly, we made unit plan, lesson plan, and proposed materials for the new proposed syllabus. In this manner, we have finished planning the syllabus and showed the best approach to infer the syllabus. Thank you. Here is our references of the work.